Meet Mike. Mike has many interests. He enjoys listening to podcasts during his morning commute, reading articles while sipping coffee, and watching videos during his lunchtime. When Mike discovers valuable content online that he wants to refer to later or share with others, he puts it on Yuppr, the ultimate place for saving and sharing everything you love. With Yuppr, Mike's favorite podcasts, articles, videos, and other things he enjoys are never lost. In fact, they are organized nicely and stored in just one place, rather than being scattered on different platforms all over the internet. Now, Mike can easily refer to his favorite content whenever he needs it, and his friends can easily discover what he likes, because it's all there on Yuppr. Yuppr is like having your own treasure chest, where you can collect valuable and useful content that you want to refer to later and share with your close friends in private groups or everyone if you choose to. Let Yuppr be your ultimate place for saving and sharing everything you love. Hey, what's in your treasure chest?